with an integers, then it is called multiple angles. Multiple angles in the sense, given angle, let us consider capital A be the given angle. So given angle multiply to 2, 3, 4. These are the 2, 3, 4 are the integers. Okay, then this is called multiple angles. Sub multiple angles also there. Multiple angles, and we are going to discuss sub multiple angles. Sub multiple angle in the sense we can multiply with fractions like a be the given angle 1 by 2 of a or 1 by 3 of a or 1 by 4 of a, so on. Then this is called sub multiple. Multiple means multiply with only integers. Sub multiply means fractions 1 by 2, like 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like that. So these are the multiple angles. These are the multiple angles. So then remaining are these are the sub multiple angles. Have you got an idea?
Why are we multiplying, sir?
Multiply.
So why are we multiplying, sir?
So what is the mean by multiple angles? Why are you multiplying means, see here there are few formulas are there, like sine 2a, sine 2 theta, cos 3 theta, sine 3 theta, tan 3 theta. Yes or no?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the mean by that? When they given 60a is equal to 60, I want to find 120, sine 120. So sometimes we may know that just some standard angle, like uh, I want to find sine. I know the sine 15 value. I want to find sine 75. How can you find? Generally, I am asking.
Sine 24.
Otherwise, not like that.
The sine
Sine,
50 you can write
sir.
as sine 50 by 2, sir.
Okay, sine 25 value is given. Sine 25 value is given. Sine 75. Otherwise, sine 20 value is given. No, 21 value is given. I want to find sine 63. How can you find? Sine 21 is given. Like some value they given.
For sine 3
We need
theta.
sine 21.
Sine 3 theta. So with the help of multiple angle concept.
Okay, sir.
Understood? I want to find sine 42. How can you find? With help of multiple angles. Because we know that 42 can be written as sine 2 into 21. 2 theta formula you can apply. It is in the form of sine 2a. If I consider 21 as angle A, then sine 2a formula you can apply. If they ask 63, sine 63 can be 3 times of 21. It is in the form of sine 3a, sine 3 theta. Like with the help of multiple angles, we can easily find sine 63. Like that. This is the reason we can multiply with the 2, 3 like that. Okay, almost I given few formulas in starting class in NCERT, like sine 2a. What is sine 2a formula? 2
2 sine A cos A.
with help of which formula can you able to find the sine 2a?
Sine A plus B.
That's all. Sine a plus b. So use the sine a plus b, like sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So now you can take your b also equal to a, and b is equal to a plus a becomes sine 2a. Right side is sine a cos a plus cos a sine a. Nothing but 2 sine a cos a. Like that. Okay. And also then from this, what is the sine a alone? Anyone? Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a.
Sine A cos A.
2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. See student, to get a, what I have done here, 2a formula is there. With help of this, I want to multiply with each angle.
Sir,
A.
we should divide whole only, no, sir. We should not divide each and everything, no, sir.
No. We should, I want to divide just angle alone. I want to divide some a, some angle. I want to replace a by 2.
Okay,
A
sir.
by 2 alone. Then only will get, it's not like, okay, 2 to get cancelled. Just replace a by 2. We are going to get sine a formula. Okay, if I want to write sine a by like a by 2. Can anyone tell that what about this? 2 sin a by 2 is equal to. So you can take
2
sine,
sin A.
right? You can take same sine 2a formula.
Sin A by 4 into cos A.
Exactly 4. Just CMI here it will be 2 will be there, multiply with a by 4 will come. Cos a by 4. If I take a by 4, here a by 8, a by 8. That's all. So this sine a formula is like a by 2, a by 2, then sine to a multiple angle. Sine a by 2 is sub multiple. Yeah, I want to find sine a by 2. This is equal to 2 sine a by 4 cos a by 4. This is called sub multiple. Okay, sub multiple angles. Right, in the same way, cos 2a formula, we know that how many formulas are there for cos 2a?
4 formulas, sir.
Yeah, cos 2a. With the help of cos 2a, can you able to find cos a value? Yes, cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. Here, but cos a alone, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. This is 2 cos square a minus 1. This can be written as 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. This is 1 minus 2 sin square a. This can be written 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. This is we can write 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. This I can write as 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. This is a multiple angle remaining at sub multiple angles. Like that we can write. Okay, so in given CL, in given multiple angles also they given sine 2a, cos 2a, sine a, cos a. Have you seen here? Tan with help of tan. What is tan 2a formula? Tan 2 theta formula. Since
2
we know
tan.
that, yeah, yes, since we know that here tan 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Or if I take a here, a here, a. But they ask me just to tan a. Now just write the half of the value, right side a by 2, a by 2. That's all. In the same way, cot 2a formula, you can take cot 2 theta formula. What is cot 2 theta formula? Or cot 2a?
Cot square a minus 1 by cot 2 cot a.
2 cot a. So just replace a by 2, dividing with by 2. Yes, here by 2, a by 2, by 2. So we are going to get this formula. Like that. Okay.
Is this new chapter, sir?
Yeah, it is not a new chapter. It is belongs to clearly trigonometry, but a new topic.
Okay, sir.
So this multiple angles, next periodic functions are there, next transformation will be there, next trigonometric equations are there. These all topics comes under trigonometry chapter, third chapter in NCERT. Am I right? So whatever the formulas I have given, same formulas only here we will discuss. Sin 3a formula I have written, cos 3a. So sin 3a, how can you find sin 3a value as 4, sin a minus, like you can take sin a plus b plus c formula.
Sir,
What is
a
sin?
equal to b equal to c, sir.
Yeah, a is equal to b is equal to c. That's all. In place of b, substitute a. In place of c, substitute a. Directly you'll get this formula. In the same way, cos 3a. So almost the multiple angles are depending on the compound angles. Compound angle sin a plus b is there. Okay, a plus b. B is equal to substitute a. You are going to get sin 2a. Sin a plus b is equal to, we know that. B is equal to a. 2a will get. In the same way, we can take tan a plus b plus c formula. Then you are going to get, yes, what is actually tan a plus b plus c? Tan a plus b plus c formula. A plus b plus c is equal to actually tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus 3 uh, tan a, tan b, tan c. I here not 3 tan a, just yeah, 1 minus bracket tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. That's all. This is the formula. When you substitute here, A is equal to B is equal to C. Then left side is clearly tan 3A. Right side, Amma? Tan A plus tan A plus tan A. 3
E
tan A minus tan cube A. All divided by 1 minus 3 tan A tan A tan A tan A tan A tan A. 3 times of tan square A. Am I right? Nothing but this formula. Okay, if you remember the compound angle formulas, almost we will get the multiple angles. In the same way, cot 3a. So, some student might be like think that, sir, this many formulas are there, how can we remember? It's not like that. So, the questions are very easy. So, no need to remember all these formulas. For example, some standard result is there. For example, see here, some standard result. See cos power 4 plus sin power 4 plus cos power 4. So can you able to remember these formulas? Sin power 6, cos power 6. Is it easy? Not required this actually. It is depending on, for example, sin power 4, cos power 4. Let's see here. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. I'm taking just as like this. This is equal to
you can
first.
take sin
Sin square theta whole square.
theta cos
Okay.
square whole square theta.
Okay, fine. After that,
Sir, it will become 1, sir. Sin square.
is it equal to
Sir,
1?
convert anything to one
No,
trigonometry.
no, no. So it should not equal to 1. Should not equal to 1. It is not like sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Just sin square whole square plus cos square whole square. It should not becomes 1. So, but it is in the form of if I take the a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Am I right? This 2ab value, take it left side. Then right side, just what are the remaining value in right side? A square plus b square alone. This is equal to a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square. Then shall I write here a plus b the whole square minus 2ab? Students, is it okay? It is, let us consider this total value like sin square theta is a, cos square theta is b, a square plus b square. It is can be written as a plus b whole square. Now it is 1. As you said, 1 square. But see here, shall I write here 1 by 2 times of this value as so 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square? Shall I write this second term like this? Students. Okay, I have written like that whole square. Here 2 square is 4. 4 by 2 again we will get 2. Now what is this formula, students? 2 sin theta cos theta formula.
So sin 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta.
Okay, so finally we got 1 minus 1 by 2 times of sin 2 theta the whole square, or it is also can be written as sin square 2 theta whole square, always sin square 2 theta. See, that is only the given 1 minus 1 by 2 of sin square 2 theta. So if even if you are not remember this 1 minus 1 by 2 sin square 2 theta, also you can remember that a square plus b square formula can be written as a plus b whole square. Like that, even second also, look at here, sin 4 6 is there. How can you write here? We can write in two
Sin
ways.
power 2 the whole power 3 theta or
Exactly,
sin
exactly.
power 3 the whole power 2 theta.
No, don't. It's better to try to take sin square whole cube. If we take sin cube whole square, there is no formula for sin cube plus cos cube is equal to 1. It's better to take sin square whole cube plus cos square whole cube. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube formula?
A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab.
Exactly. That's all. That you can apply. You will get the answer. So sin power 6 plus cos power 6 is clearly equal to, what is the answer they given? 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square like that. Okay, apply AQ plus BQ formula, then final after simplifying you are going to get the answer here. Okay students, so it is easy, try to derive the formula yourself.
Okay, sir.
Right, now let us go for next. Let's see all the formula. Yeah, this clearly they given like cot A plus tan A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. So cot A you can write as cos A by sin A by cos A. Then take LCM simple. Numerator cos square A plus sin square A. Cos square A plus sin square A by sin A cos A. What is numerator value? 1. 1 by sin
So
A
1 by
cos.
2 sin A,
Yeah,
sin
multiply and
2.
dividing 2. So 2 by 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. 1 by sin can be written as 2 cosecant. Roughly I am deriving here. So that is nothing but everything will be easy only. In the same way, cot A minus tan A becomes 2 cot of A, right? So some few formulas are there that only you have to remember. I will tell you here formula number 7. Try to remember because that is difficult. Remaining and all easy. Here tan A plus B formula you can apply tan A minus B. You can simplify, finally you are going to get this value. Tan A plus B minus tan A minus B. That's all. But this is seventh one is not like that. Tan A plus 2 times of tan 2A. Okay. So on. Like that. Then 4 times of tan 4A. 8 times of. Next is 4 times of, not 3 times of. Okay, next 8 times, next 16 times, like that. Finally this is equal to simply cot A, cot A. Okay, take some angle, you can check it. Take angle, cot A will be there. A is equal to, I want to take 30 or 60. 30 pi by 3. What is cot pi by 3? Yes, root 3. Pi by, sorry, pi by 6. Cot 30 is root 3. Then why don't we substitute so the same 30 left side, and why don't you check this? Surely it will becomes root 3 alone. Okay, but it is a finite series they given. In the same way, you have to remember this. And this kind of formulas we have seen in compound angles, like that is related to just sine and cos. Am I right? Here we will discuss about tan, cot, and even sine, cos also. Okay, this. All these 4 cases, we are going to get 3 tan 3 theta. Okay, if you want to know whether it is correct or not, again the same way you can substitute some theta values. Theta value either you can substitute 0 or 45 or 30, your wish. You can check it all 4 properties, whether LHS equal to RHS or not. Surely we'll get LHS equal to RHS. Right, students? In the same way, cot. In the same way, sine square, sine cube, cos cube. So because we discussed in earlier classes like compound angles, without this power, just sine theta, sine 120 minus theta, 120 plus theta. Okay. But here this value they given 3 by 2 anyhow. And also you can either you can remember or not remember, no problem at all. So this property and this property also, both also okay, somewhat important. Try to remember, otherwise we can derive it. Because you know here you can take 2 common, 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, it is in the form of 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is equal to, clearly the answer is 2 cos square theta by 2. Sub multiplying 2 into 2 4. Again square root is there, no? 2 into 2 2 squares get cancelled. This value we are going to get, this value we are going to get like cos theta by 2. Again 2 plus 2 cos theta by 2. Simplify. After simplifying all the terms, we are going to theta by 2 power n. Because it is repeated n times. It is repeated n times. N number of times. 2, 2, 2 repeated n times, so that here 2 power n. Okay. Number of square roots. 2, 1, 2, 3 like. So this way n will represent number of square root, or else not 2 is repeated this many times. Right? If your formulas are there, this is also you can try to remember. So this is also proof will be there. For everything proof will be there. I know that proof, but it is here what to do actually. You can make them to sine power 2n. So you can make them to sine 2 theta. For that what to do here? A very simple. First, I want to multiply and dividing with 2 sine theta. Here 2 sine theta cos theta form is sine 2 theta. Okay, if I take this property here, okay. If you get any doubts or whether LHS equal to RHS means, CS means, what is that property, Amma? Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, so on. Okay, this is equal to sine 2 power n theta by 2 power n sine theta. Here 4 theta, right? Let us see. Yes, we can prove that. Now what I'm taking LHS, then I'm going to do RHS. So, and also you can verify by substituting n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, like that also. When substitute n is equal to 1, we can consider only first term LHS. Okay, otherwise here cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta will be so on, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. So I want to multiply and dividing with 2 here, 2 sine theta by 2 sine theta. Now since we know that this formula will be, this is clearly what? Students, right? 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta, remaining already cos 2 theta by what is the area? 2 sine theta, cos 4 theta, so on. Now what about here? I want to again, just I want to multiply and dividing with 2 all over here. 2. What about student? What about this? Anyone? What is this? It is in the form of again 2 sine theta cos theta.
Sir,
Shall
sine
I-
4 theta.
4 theta. Here cos 4 theta will be there by 4 sine theta. Am I right? So on. It will be continuous. So cos 2 power n minus 1 into theta. Okay. Like again I want to multiply and dividing with 2. When I multiply and dividing with 2, what about this again? Again 2 sine theta cos theta form. Shall I write this value as sine
8
8
theta
theta?
cos theta.
Into cos 8 theta.
Exactly. 8 sine theta. So on, it will be continue on like that. So 8 can be written as, this 8 actually we can written as 2 cube by 2 cube. Up to n minus 1 will be there. So it can be written as, so finally like that, finally we are going to get sine to the power of 2n theta. If we repeat this value till n times, so here denominator when you observe here, when you observe just sine theta, sine theta alone. So finally here also sine theta, but whenever we are getting 2 power n, here also 2 power n. That's all. Here 8 by 8, 4 by 4, like that. So here also 2 power n by 2 power n. Like that you have to remember. Like all formulas, proof will be there, can derive. So this already we know that. 1 plus sine 2a, that already we, I think so, proved. Okay, this for example, root over 1 plus sine 2a. Why it is equal to like modulus of cos a. 1 plus sine 2a. I want to derive this. Okay, I want to derive this. Right, all of you derive this. Shall I write this value as 1? Shall I write as sine square a plus cos square a, student? 1, this one, sine square a plus cos square a, 1. But sine 2a formula, 2 sine a cos a. Am I right? Shall I write is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab form? Am I right? Shall I write here this value as
Sin A plus cos A the whole square.
whole square? Whole square means just cancel. Whenever we have a cancel this, we should take modulus. Shall I take here sin A plus cos A? That's all. That is only they have taken here. Sin A cos A like that. So if I take only instead of 2a, if I take a, I said we discussed already a by 2. If we take a by 2 here, a by 4. In the same way, minus. Minus means again one you can write as sin square a plus cos square a minus 2 sin a cos a minus b the whole square like this. A minus b the whole square, square root get cancelled like that. Okay. So this already we discussed here. Why they have taken this? C minus s lesser than 0, C plus s is greater than 0. Do you have idea about this? Yeah, I'm explaining you
Because
this.
sin is positive in second quadrant.
Okay, that I can explain. Absolutely right. That you can try to understand.
Sin decreases after 90, sir. Cos increases after 90.
Exactly. This value is this kind of C plus a C minus are very important in advanced level. Students, remember, advanced level, these are the important. Okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, x dash, y dash. Okay, right now, this is line y is equal to x. Am I right? This is y is equal to x. This is y is equal to minus x. You studied y is equal to x line means it can make an angle 45 degrees. Okay. See here, student, what are the angles it can make it? I'm going to write this is 45. Am I right? This is 45. What about this angle? From x-axis to this angle?
135.
135. Very good. The angle clearly totally 135 degrees. Then what about this angle, like from here to here? Is 225.
225.
225. Other angle? Three?
325.
315.
315, sir.
Very simple, Amaya.
360 minus 45, sir. Last one.
Right. Not like that. Okay, like that also you can remember. So 90 plus 45, 180 plus 45, 270 plus 45, like that. You'll get all these angles. 0 plus 45, 45. 90 plus 45, 135. 180 plus 45, 225. Anyhow, the y is equal to x. Now, when we see that, clearly they're given. What they given here? First quadrant they did not give it. But here to your total. Okay, fine. I'm going to write very clearly. 45 to 135. What about that? What is the increasing function? What is the decreasing function? C plus S, C minus S. Every case, C plus S, C minus S
The C
alone
plus
will.
S should be greater than 0 in everything.
Here, then I'm going to take here like okay, then this is so all these cases, right? Now I want to know, this is one complete angle, this is one complete angle, this is one complete, this is one complete. Right. C plus S, C plus S. See here, clearly C plus S already greater than 0. C minus S, student here. C minus S value.
And it should also be greater than 0.
Why greater than 0?
Because
See,
both are positive, sir.
no. Look at here. It is lesser than 0. Why? From 45 to 135. Why 45 to 135? See, till 45, when we draw the graphical representation, when you observe carefully, your maximum value is 1, minimum value is -1 for sine and cos. Am I right? When you see here, if I take the angle will be here, here 90, just 90 alone. See, sine is increasing, like it will, when theta becomes 90, it will tends to 1. But cos is decreasing. Both will be intersected at one point. What is that point? Theta
45
value
5 by 4.
5 by 4. This is clearly 5 by 4, right? 5 by 4. After 5 by 4, what is the increasing function? What is the decreasing function? Sine is increase, cos is decrease.
Cos decrease.
Then C minus S.
less
C
than
minus
0.
lesser than 0. Okay, this is first quadrant. When we come to the second quadrant already C is negative.
Sine is
also
positive,
negative.
sir.
Both will be negative. Why sine is positive? Sine is positive, but minus sign.
Negative.
C again negative. Anyhow, C minus S is lesser than 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Obviously. So even if you see that here, greater than lesser than 0. Why? C plus S. After this 135 again cos is decreasing, sine is increasing. So C plus S already greater than 0, C minus S. So like that remaining are. So like that you can take some few values here, you can check it, you are going to get remaining. So not only this, they may give sometimes S minus C, S plus C also. That also you have to observe. So they given C plus S, C minus S. So you can do like S plus C, S minus C. That's all. You can do that. Okay, any other students like that? And especially remember some important formulas, important values here. Sine 7.5 value, that is equal to, since we know that sine theta can be written as sine cos 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 7.5 becomes 82.5. Both will be equal, 1872. If you want to, I can give proof also with help of sine 2 theta, sine 3 theta. Okay, we can able to find these values. Anyhow, especially how to remember 72 and 36 and 18. Okay, for JEE advanced purpose, everything we require, but sometimes it is difficult to remember. Am I right? You can try daily 5 minutes. Once daily 5 minutes, you can observe all this value. Definitely within 1 week, you can easily remember all these values. Okay, you can revise repeatedly, like after 1 week again, okay, I know, like don't be neglect. So remember all the values, they are important for advanced level. Rare cases only we can use these values, but anyhow important. Again, we cannot find, no. And how to find 18, 36, 72, I can explain you, but try to remember those values. Okay, students, here